Unlocking the Secrets of Academic Scholarships. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language and make learning accessible to all. Today, we're exploring a vital topic for students around the globe: academic scholarships. Understanding this concept can open doors to numerous educational opportunities, so let's get started. An academic scholarship is a financial grant or award given to students based on their academic achievements. Unlike loans, scholarships do not need to be repaid. They're designed to support students who have demonstrated excellence in their studies, helping them to pursue higher education without the burden of financial stress. Scholarships can cover various expenses, including tuition fees, books, and sometimes even living costs. Qualifying for an academic scholarship involves several key factors. Outstanding academic record. The most crucial criterion is your academic performance. This usually means high grades and test scores. Extracurricular activities. Participation in extracurricular activities can also play a significant role. This includes sports, clubs, volunteer work, and other non-academic pursuits. Essays and interviews. Many scholarships require essays or interviews where you can showcase your personality, goals, and how the scholarship will help you achieve them. Letters of recommendation. Letters from teachers, mentors, or community leaders who can vouch for your academic and personal qualities are often required. Academic scholarships come in various forms, catering to different needs and achievements. Merit-based scholarships, awarded purely on academic achievements. Need-based scholarships, consider both academic prowess and financial need. Subject-specific scholarships, for students excelling in specific subjects or fields of study. Institution-specific scholarships, offered by colleges or universities to their incoming or current students. Finding the right scholarship requires research and planning. Start by using scholarship search engines. These platforms can help you find scholarships that match your profile. Visiting university websites. Many institutions list available scholarships on their websites. Consulting school counselors. They can provide valuable information and resources. When applying, pay close attention to application deadlines and requirements. Tailor your application to highlight why you're the ideal candidate for each scholarship. We hope this video sheds light on the world of academic scholarships and how they can help you achieve your educational goals. Remember, securing a scholarship takes effort, dedication, and sometimes a bit of patience, but the rewards can be life-changing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.